Hi guys, this is your affiliate hustler back again with a new video, and in this video I want to show you how you can create money with CPA marketing and YouTube. Yes, in this video, don't worry, you won't have to be uploading videos, you don't even have to show your face. The only way to do this, to make money with this method, is just contacting big channels and obviously tell them to shout out your link or your promotion, or your, obviously not your CPA link directly, but you will create a landing page for the offer you want to promote from your CPA network. In this case, I'm going to use Max Bounty, and you're going to choose a CPA offer which obviously pays you for every lead you bring them. Yes, that's CPA marketing, cost per action marketing, and the action that you will be paid for is bringing leads. Yes, for every lead that you bring to the business, in this case to the offer, it could be an offer offering insurance, but here I'm going to go into a niche which involves gaming, and this you can contact gaming channels that promote, for example, Fortnite, or even, I don't know, who promote Minecraft, and you can search for offers. There are thousands of offers in Max Bounty and other CPA networks promoting sweepstakes. Yes, sweepstakes are offers where they get free gift cards. They get free, for example, free V-Bucks, which are the points inside Fortnite, Microsoft prepaid cards, which serve to buy skins and something else inside Minecraft. You can buy a lot of things inside Minecraft. For example, you can get points for games, and you can get free PayPal gift cards. Yes, if you search, for example, on YouTube, free PayPal gift cards, free PayPal gift card codes, for example, you'll see a lot of videos, and they will have in their description of probably CPA offers. Yes, so let's go to see what they are promoting in their description, and I can assure you that probably they are promoting their affiliate link to an offer. Well, in this case, I don't know, this is a bad example. She's not promoting nothing. Yes, so let's go to the next video. And probably there are a lot of videos that promote what is called surveys. Yes, where you have to do a service, and in those surveys they put CPA offers. Yes, they put their affiliate link, and when you put your email on those CPA offers that they redirect you to, they get paid for every lead. In this case, the lead is you. Yes, so well, these videos are not promoting any link, but probably they are promoting the website on their inside the video. They share it. Probably, yes, they are promoting their website on the, this is their website, ogcards.com, and as I can tell, and as I told you, this is a survey site. Yes, they put their survey site, they complete the survey with the survey, which really the survey is really the CPA offer they grabbed from Max Bounty. Yes, so that's how they make money with these videos. Yes, they don't really give you the unfortunately they don't really give you PayPal gift cards. Yes, that's the only downside. Now, before I get into the video and I explain you how to contact the channel owners and tell them to shout out your offer, yes, and shout out your landing page, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell notification icon so that you get notified when I release a new video. And make sure to stay until the end so that you fully understand this method and you know how to contact these YouTubers and start promoting your offers. Also, how to make a landing page for Max Bounty offers, because you can't promote directly through YouTube on the description Max Bounty offers. You will get your account banned, or the account of the people you are contacting. Yes, so don't just put the raw link of Max Bounty. So let's get into the video. Let's get into the video. Yes, so as I told you, now we are going to contact the channel owners, and we are going to go and ask them to shout out our landing page. Yes, in this case I don't have a landing page, but I'm going to show you the software I am using to create my landing pages. Yes, this is get response. I will leave that in the description below. You have a 30-day free trial. Get response is an all-in-one marketing platform where you can find you can do autoresponders for email marketing. You can do landing pages. You can do funnels for selling a product. Yes. For example, you can create a sales page for a product. Okay, so I changed the language. Now you here I have an account. You can create your account for free for 30 days for free in the description below. Let me log into my account and show you how you can actually create a landing page. Okay, so to create a landing page, once you're in your Get Response account, go to menu, go to landing pages, and you can create landing pages. Here I have a lot of examples I made for YouTube, but in order to create a landing page, you just go to create a landing page and you go to create new, and here you will see a lot of templates for you to choose from. Yes, but here the only thing that you need is a landing page where you promote the offer that you got from Max Bounty or any other affiliate network you're using, and you just put, let me grab for example a template. So let's go with this one. So the landing page load, and here you will just obviously change all of this. Don't leave it as it is. So let me go to Max Bounty and grab an offer and actually tell you the process I use to make my landing pages. So here I'm on Max Bounty. You then go to search campaigns and you will do by search options, and you will grab the traffic type. You will put social media because you are going to get traffic through YouTube. Yes, because we're going to contact the owners of the channel and tell them, hey, if they can promote your landing page. So price per lead, and here you put soy is single opt-in, so you will be paid for only when the user enters the email, and they don't then after they enter, because there are offers that after they enter their email, they don't pay you. They pay you after they input some information after they input the email. So hope that doesn't sound confusing. So it's not the first time that you will be paid when they put the information, but instead various times where they just enter information like age, the cell phone number, their nationality, and something else. But don't do those type of offers. Just do single opt-in offers. And what I'm going to search for is for in the categories type. Just go for sweepstakes. Sweepstakes are the one that I told you, which offer free PayPal gift cards, free Walmart money gift cards, free, I don't know, you understand. For example, just gift cards for any type of store in general, or PayPal or eBay or Amazon. And if they do the offer, they generally will give them some money. Obviously they will be getting a gift card, but not the amount that they are claiming on the offer. So let's go for example to the Xbox One offer. So offer converts when they put their email here on this landing page. So let me show you the landing page. This is how it looks. So when they put their name and then they input their email, you get paid. So it's a single opt-in. For every lead that you bring, you get paid $2.50. Yes, that's a lot of money. So here, back to the landing page, I'm going to put something like win, and this is very basic, just for demonstration purposes. So what I would do, I would remove this, for example, just remove this, remove all this nonsense that you are not going to use, and just put remove this, and just put a button saying this is what I would do. Example, win an Xbox One. I will obviously center it and obviously change the background, put a background related to an Xbox, and then this button will redirect Here obviously on the link you will put your affiliate link that you grab from here. Build tracking link, you put social, or yes, in this case we're using social, the raw link. Then you copy the link and you copy it here. Yes, you click OK, and then it's this button will redirect to the offer. Yes, so this is an easy way to create a landing page. Was just demonstration purposes. Once you create the landing page, you will go to these channels. I suggest to make a list of 10 channels at least of the obviously of the offer, related to the offer. You don't contact channels that are not related to the offer you're going to promote. So just in order to contact them, just go to the about section of the channel, and well, as you can see, not many people have an email to contact, so this doesn't serve. Let's go to the next channel and see if they have a contact email for business. Well, they have their Twitter. You can contact them through Twitter, but this is not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for people who have business emails. So this hasn't also a business email. Let's go to the next video. Let's see if I can find some. Okay, so this does not have a contact email. Some channels will have on the about section like a button that says contact me, and then you do like a verification to confirm that you are not a bot, and then the commercial email of the channel will pop up, and you with that email you can contact them. Yes, you can contact them and obviously offer them a shout, or tell them that you want a shout out. So let's look if this channel has something related to that. Well, so unfortunately all these channels do not have a contact email for commercial business, but you have to go to a niche that has this type of business emails, yes, for you to contact them and obviously make them promote your offer or your landing page that you've recently created. Yes, so that's how this method works. As you can see, these videos are getting a lot of views, 50k views, 15k views, 17k views. That's a lot of views. 668k views, that's a lot. 1.1k views. So go ahead and just contact this type of channels, obviously on the niche you're promoting the offer. Now this offer could suit more for gaming channels. Yes, you could say that they could promote your offer on the end of their video and say their audience that they should go to the description, and if they want to win an Xbox One, for example, they go to their landing page, and then when they submit their email, you get paid. So let's say that you invest $100 and the video gets probably 500k views. If it's a good channel, then you are certainly making a return of investment on that money, because I tell you that at least 10,000 are going to input their email. Yes, so that's like if the offer converts on a dollar, you're making at least $10,000. So that's a lot of money. Yes, so if you like this video, comment in the section below what you think. Obviously like this video, and obviously share it to your friends so that they never miss this business type of opportunity. Yes, so if you like this video, as I mentioned, please let me know below. And guys, I will see you till next video.